take two. Let's try this one more time. See if we can't get something to shake. Get a well-placed video. Well-placed video. Damn, it's got 81 out of 100 people in here, though. It's a lot of peepers.
Ain't no get down. All the benches, when my niggas is trapping and handing no crack. I'm with the Jets and the Rollers, the Apes and the Max. If they spinning, we spinning them back. Why these little niggas capping? We be shooting at the caps. We be chilling with the ratchet, they be chilling with the rats. Have you ever double did me?
What's going down, fellas?
What is poppin', brother?
Shit. Y'all get some bread out here?
Oh God.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. How much this should be paying?
It pays 270K each time.
Okay, shit. That ain't a bad little bag.
Yeah. It doesn't take that long either. It takes like 5 minutes to get it filled up, and then you gotta bag it, and then you go to this thing and you distribute it.
Oh, okay, hell yeah.
And then you have to wash the money, so that doesn't take that long.
Oh, okay. Shit. So I'm about to get to it, I guess. There'll be a lot of people in the city.
What'd you say?
There's a lot of people in the city.
Kind of. There's a lot of people by Grove.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I grew up down there, you feel me?
Hell yeah. So you grew up in the hood, huh? It's grimy over there, I ain't
I
gonna
grew
lie.
up down in the trenches, you feel me?
Shit.
Trying to make,
I don't even go over that way no more, you feel me? I'm fresh
Yeah,
out.
for real.
I gotta stay away from felons. I'm fresh out.
yeah, I just got fresh out. I just got fresh out the pen. I was banging on monkey bars and stuff, and I don't really know what happened. I mean, I was locked up in a petting zoo, so it's not the great ass idea.
Nice.
Yeah, they locked me in a petting zoo pretty much because I was black. It's really not funny.
That's crazy. Yeah, that's wild.
I know, bro. And like I took this guy's car and he said I'm going to a petting zoo. He's being very racist.
See, that's why I stay to myself.
But I got a clip. But
Oh, okay.
wait, did you say facts?
Yeah, facts. Yeah, shit. That's bogus, right?
That's racist.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's bogus.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you brother.
Yeah, hell yeah. I'm staying out the
Hey,
way.
since
Yeah.
you're white, I got you the N-word pass.
Oh yeah. I mean, don't get it twisted. I'm not white. I'm albino, man. I got alopecia. You can see I ain't got no eyebrows, no hair. I'm albino, man. I'm fucked up out here, but
Yeah,
I still get
I'm
to
like
it
more
back.
manic but black. It's kind of like weird. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm black too.
Hell yeah, I feel you. Shit, I pass though. Shit, if they, you know what I'm saying? They pull motherfucker over.
Yeah, I'm black
I'ma
all
pass.
over.
Dude, who is this guy?
I don't know, man.
Pussy,
Dude.
pussy, pussy.
Hell yeah.
Go, go, go.
Dude, who is this guy?
I don't know, man. I can't call it. Shit, you having a good time though? It sound like.
Go, go, go.
Shit, there you go. Hold on. Let me skip forward for you a little bit. So give you some twerking room.
You like that?
Oh shit. Well, we go over in the corner over there, right? That's where, yeah. So we gotta back it up or something.
It's everywhere.
Hey, I'm gonna slide up here now, brother. this motherfucker, nigga. That thing out, boy. You never know. Somebody walk through that. I'd be like, oh, put that thing on him real quick. Yeah. Man, this shit taking forever. Bro, what the fuck? This shit is taking forever. Should go 10 times as fast. We're getting one, one whole thing for every 10. Yeah, that was 10 times as fast. Bogus. Man, that's bogus as hell. I don't know what's going on with this shit. Fuck! Man, see, that's why I be parking on the street. I don't fuck around and put a boot on my shit. He said, you ain't driving this bitch off nowheres. Get in this motherfucker, man. Fuck. Fuck it. Alright. Where this spot at? It's always something, man. I'll tell you what. Oh my gosh. Hell nah. Bro, what the fuck? This shit got to work. Why? Push it. Anakin challenge head ass. Fuck. Fuck. Oh, maybe it's a garage around here. Fuck. The garage is further. Oh shit, they about to shut this shit down anyway. I wouldn't be able to make it over there. I might as well stay up here by my car. This shit crazy. Oh shit. 3 minutes. 2 minutes. Alright, get this shit off real quick. Shit, we got 1 minute. More probably, but yeah, about 1 minute. Bombastic. Getting bread real quick. Might as well get some money instead of, they kick us out of here. 740. 750. 760. 800. Oh yeah, we going up. We going up. Shit, man, I'm about to go get a car. I get a nice little whippy whip. Get inside my shit real quick. Post up real quick. Oh. Alright. That was fun. Alright, let me see if it got any of that.